This video shows how to replace a cartridge in your HP printer. To begin, turn the printer on by pressing the power button. Next, slide out the input tray. Align a stack of paper by tapping it on a flat surface. Load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Slide in the input tray. Open the cartridge access door. To do this, locate the cutouts on the sides of the printer. Use these cutouts to lift the cartridge access door. The carriage will move into the access area. Allow the carriage to stop moving. Then, find the cartridge you want to replace and lift the cartridge cover to release it. Pull the cartridge out of the slot and set it aside for recycling. For information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit www.hp.com/recycle. Now, take the new cartridge out of its package. Pull the tab from the new cartridge to remove the tape. It is very important that you use the pull tab to remove the tape. When handling the cartridge, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink nozzles. Be careful not to touch the contacts or nozzles, because touching these can cause clogs, ink failures, and poor electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Hold the cartridge with the ink nozzles toward the printer and slide it directly into the open slot. Lower the cartridge cover and push down until it latches into place. When the cartridge is installed, close the cartridge access door. A message will appear on the printer's control panel indicating that a new, genuine HP cartridge has been installed. Touch Continue. The next screen will remind you to load paper into the printer. Touch OK. Touch OK again to print an alignment page. Once the alignment page prints, lift the scanner lid. Use the engraved guide next to the scanner glass to properly place the alignment page with the print side down on the right front corner of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Touch OK on the control panel. The printer aligns the cartridges. An alignment successful message will appear on the control panel. Touch OK again. The printer is now ready for regular use. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.